Body surfing, or wave gliding as the ancient Polynesians described it, is a beautiful form of meaningful play, a therapeutic activity that allows the individual to develop a love for the ocean and connect with nature in a transformative way. Body surfing is the oldest and simplest form of wave riding, and prior to the invention of the surf leash in the 1970s, was once a prerequisite skill for any surfer swimming after a lost board post-wipeout.
As a surf instructor and ocean lifeguard, I know what an important safety skill body surfing is for anyone playing in the ocean. But more than that, body surfing is a pleasurable activity that is fairly easy to learn, and we hope to inspire you to join us in this simple pursuit. Here at Bodysurf Yoga in Bahia Ballena, Costa Rica, we offer week-long body surfing camps to introduce you to the ocean and get you to start reading waves so you feel more comfortable in this ever-changing environment.
The first step in learning how to body surf is catching whitewater waves in the streamline position. We typically take you out at low tide when the walls of whitewater are most powerful and teach you how to turn your body into a surfboard. In the streamline position, the goal is to keep your body long, straight, and buoyant. Think Superman position, but with your face submerged underwater and your limbs squeezing in toward your midline. Focus on keeping your entire spine, including your neck, in a straight line. Biceps squeeze ears, hands and feet press together. Standing in thigh-deep water, keep your eyes on the horizon and look for a big wave breaking far away from you. By the time the wave gets to you, it should be a fast-moving wall of whitewater. Once you identify a good ledge of whitewater approaching, turn toward the shore and continue to watch the wave over your shoulder. As you prepare to launch into the streamline position, stand with your arms down by your sides and your knees slightly bent. Just before the wall of whitewater hits your backside, bring your chest down to the water and swing your arms out in front of you as you gently launch yourself out in front of the oncoming wave. The goal is to keep your entire body flat without sinking or diving so that you are skimming the surface of the water as you ride. Make sure to take a deep breath before the wave arrives so that you fill your body with oxygen and become more buoyant. Because your face is submerged underwater, you will need to release a gentle stream of air out your nostrils so you don't get water up your nose. As you hydroplane across the surface of the water, focus on keeping your body rigid like a surfboard as you stretch your arms out in front of you. Also, make sure to bring some awareness to your feet and hands as they are the steering mechanism responsible for guiding you where you want to go. Once you have mastered the streamline position with nothing but your body, you can head back to the beach and grab a pair of swim fins and maybe even a hand plane. Swim fins are an essential piece of equipment when swimming out past the surf zone, as they elongate the foot and provide you with more power when treading water and kicking into breaking waves.
Here at Bodysurf Yoga, we provide you with DAFIN swim fins, which are both powerful and comfortable to wear and are preferred by ocean lifeguards and body surfers around the world. We also provide you with hand planes made by Slide Handboards. Although hand planes are not an essential piece of body surfing equipment, they can be useful for students who are struggling to use their hands as a planing surface.
When entering the ocean with swim fins, walk out to thigh-deep water and then sit down with your back facing the ocean to put the fins on your feet. Now you can backpedal or moonwalk out to waist-deep water to continue catching whitewater waves in the streamline position. Now, when you launch yourself into the streamline position wearing fins, think about bringing your feet up out of the water behind you and kicking the oncoming wave in the face. Once you feel the wave's momentum transferred to your body, you can stop kicking and allow your fins to plane behind you like a dolphin tail. As you get more comfortable navigating the shallow water zone with fins, you can experiment with swimming out a little deeper and kicking into waves rather than launching into them from your feet. This is where the hand plane can be a helpful tool for learning how to kick properly. Before the wave gets to you, reach the hand plane out in front of your body and begin kicking 1 foot at a time with your feet at the surface of the water. Continue kicking until you have caught the wave and then extend your body into the streamline position as you ride to the beach.